Oh my god. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another daily vlog. Hey! I haven't been out of this hotel for 3 days now, which is good. I decided to download TikTok. Again. Well, the thing is, I downloaded it when I was in Mexico, I think. I gave up on TikTok right away. I don't think it's for me. Now I'm gonna give it another chance. Okay. I might not even remember my password, but I'm gonna give it a try. Shall we? Okay, let me get my phone. I downloaded TikTok. It lets you choose your interest. I like comedy. Is there anything about travel? Food can be good. I have 6 old videos. I mean, I have 96 followers, so please follow me on TikTok at Avelovin. Sorry if I need to mute it. I might get demonetized in this vlog, but please do follow me on TikTok at Avelovin. Oh my god. If I switch to TikTok, I'm sorry guys. Okay guys, I decided to stop TikTok for a while and cook breakfast. I'm helping Nelly out cook breakfast. What do you need?
Garlic. Yes.
Is this enough or?
Yeah. Slice it.
Yeah. Also, the boys are back. Did a little bit of shopping, grocery shopping. I've been in this hotel for 3 days. I haven't got outside. Not gonna lie, I get bored sometimes. That's why I downloaded TikTok. This is what our hotel looks like. If you guys are wondering where we're staying in Villa Cali. I'm gonna put their Instagram and Facebook page linked below. So what's good about this villa is that they have a kitchenette. It has 1 stove per room, which is good. That's why I'm super happy. Hi, love.
Hi, baby.
I'm cooking rice.
Oh, you're amazing.
You're amazing. Yay, we got some for the
Tissue.
yeah. That's amazing. That's a lot of orange.
We'll throw the pizza away.
Time to slice the watermelon. Since I still have leftover rice from yesterday, I'm gonna make it as a garlic rice. I think this is good for 1 or 1.5 or just Avelovinit. All right, Nelly, what did you cook for us?
Oh, nothing exciting.
Well,
It's just very basic. So we used some tuna that we bought, canned tuna, some eggs. I made some tomato salad and fried rice.
You even
with
have
some
salad.
sausage.
Thank you, Nelly, for cooking.
Welcome.
It's in our room.
You can use mine.
Then he made us some egg with tuna
Wow.
and some tomato salads, and I've made some fried rice with little hot doggies.
Yes. Vienna sausage.
So I made us some freshly squeezed lemonade with orange, lemon, calamansi, and I put in some ginger. So we don't have the squeezy thingy. So I used our AeroPress and squeezed the juice through this. So
Wow,
yeah.
very healthy. Thanks, Nelly.
Gotta fill up on vitamins.
I have been TikToking, well, trying to TikTok for 2 hours now.
It's actually not a lie. I've seen it. I've experienced it. I've tried to edit myself. She's been dancing. I think I've never seen you work that much out.
Yeah, so I just want to say TikTok is the new workout for Avelovinit. It was pretty fun. I posted 2 videos. Oh, not just 2, 3. Oh wow, Martin's taking care of me. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so happy to see that, you know, Ava didn't do TikTok before, and now she has something to keep herself busy, stay a little, and you have fun with it. So
Yep.
if you guys are not on TikTok, check it out. Check
Follow me, Avelovin.
Follow her.
Oh, on the big.
Sorry.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Yeah, we have to take care of each other during these times. Just making sure you don't get burned, huh?
Thank you. Do you want me? Do you want me? Ah! I told you. That's why I did it all at once.
You're being Maku.
Martin's getting brown now.
Yeah, guys. And now I'm working out every day, trying to lose my travel fat. The Norwegian getting spray tan.
Hala, nabuang ka na, bebe.
Oi!
You became buang-buang. Buang na ang bebe ko. Buang ka na talaga. Ay, naku, Diyos ko. I posted 3 videos on TikTok today.
Wow, that's productive.
I was supposed to...
What? The one's got 100 views already?
Okay, let's go. Can you just lock the door? Self-quarantine. I'm pretty happy that the hotel that we're staying in has a swimming pool. That means I don't have to lock myself inside the room all day. This is oddly satisfying. Cleaning the pool. You guys, it's 9:30 in the evening already. And I'm still not done TikToking. I think this is my 4th TikTok for the day. Nang ma-inlove ako sa'yo, kala ko pag-ibig mo ay tunay, pero di ning natanggal mabas din ng tulay na kulay. I'm about to upload my 4th TikTok of the day. Please let me know which hashtags work really well for TikTok. I like TikTok. I'm moving to TikTok now. I know I said I'm gonna do daily vlogs. The amount of effort that I put in every travel vlog that I post is the same amount of making TikTok videos. Renegade, renegade, renegade. I didn't upload a daily vlog today. I know. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna end this third day of self-quarantine in Siargao vlog. I know it's a short one. Hope you guys still like it. I didn't get to do that much today. I just did TikTok. Be safe. Always wash your hands. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!